Hello traders! Great to see you all on my channel. As always, this is Jessica with you, and in today's video I've prepared a reliable and easily used new strategy for options trading on Pocket Option platform. Make sure you watch until the end to understand all the details of how to work with this strategy effectively. So let's get started! Today, I'll walk you through how to trade using a combination of two powerful technical indicators, Bollinger Bands and MACD. So now a few words about these indicators. Well, the Bollinger Bands indicator helps us gauge market volatility and identify moments when the price deviates from its average. The bands expand and contract depending on market volatility, allowing us to spot potential overbought and oversold zones. Now about MACD. Well, the MACD, its full name is Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and it measures the difference between two moving averages to help determine trend direction and strength. Crossovers of MACD lines can signal potential trend reversals, making it a valuable tool in any trading strategy. And traders, if you want to receive more valuable and relevant insights on trading strategies, indicators, and global market events, and even trade live with me on both short and long-term signals, then join my Telegram community. The link is in description. I'm already looking forward to seeing you there. Okay, and now let me show you how to set up these indicators in order to use as our strategy. So let's move to Pocket Option trading platform. I really like it, the most reliable and of course licensed all over the world with the highest win rate. Look at the profitabilities of its currency pairs. But no worries, let's come to strategy. So I opened Canadian and Japanese yen currency pair chart, just like it. It's very convenient to use. And I go to the top left corner, indicators, and press Bollinger Bands. Here we are, and we need to edit it. So we need to edit it. We press the button pencil, and we should set the period up to 20 and deviation up to 2. Here we are, let's save it. Now, how does the Bollinger Band work within the trading process? So you can see two bands. This is the lower band and this is the upper band. If our price touches the upper band, that means that the currency pair is being in an overbought condition and there's going to be a reversal, so trend will start rising downward, so we should open a sell position. We can see a downward trend here. Or for example, well, let me find an evidence situation like here. So it's always evident, but I'm just really wanting to show you the most convenient. Or like here, if the price touches the lower band, that means the currency pair is being in an oversold condition. So of course, it's also going to be a reversal. Trend started to rise, so we should open a buy position this time. Buy position here, trend rising. So this is it, how Bollinger Bands indicator works. Now I'm gonna add the MACD indicator, okay? MACD indicator, we can find it here, and we just leave it like that so we don't edit it. So what can we notice? Well, the MACD, it contains of two lines, actually two different moving averages. And if you go here to press the button pencil, so not for editing but just for our understanding, press the styles, we need to understand that the MACD contains of two lines, two moving averages, and it is the MACD line, the green line, and the red line, the signal line. Remember, MACD, green line, signal, red. Of course, you can edit the colors, but I'm okay with using the one that are set already. Okay. So how do MACD works? As I said, it works for crossovers. When you notice that MACD line crosses below the signal line, so the green line here crosses below the red line, that means you should open sell position anticipating a decrease of price of a currency pair. And here you can see like an example, MACD line crossed here really below the signal line, and here we are seeing the downtrend development. Okay, another example. Well, this one is also a good example. When you see your MACD line crossing above this signal line. So this time the green line crosses above the red line. That means you should open a buy position, anticipating a rise of price of a currency pair and of course a formation of an uptrend. But because we see here a gradual appearance of crossover, that's why it means a gradual rise of price, like here, so an uptrend formation, but really gradually. Okay, so this is it, how MACD works, but also you can see that MACD contains a histogram. It's just important for our understanding. For example, like here, the bigger the histogram, the more trending situation you are seeing, the stronger the trend. Okay, so now how do we use these two indicators in combination? Really quick explanation. Well, you see your price touching the upper Bollinger bands already. There's going to be a reversal, sell position, and you also notice a crossover of MACD. So when MACD line crosses below the signal line and you open a sell position, so you need two signals showing you the same. Okay, and make sure you wait for your price touch one of the bands of Bollinger bands. Or another example, you see Bollinger price touched one of the Bollinger bands, this time the lower, and you also notice the crossover. At the time you saw crossover of MACD, this time MACD line crosses above. Already thinking of opening buy position here, yeah, a reversal, touch the lower band. So these two again prove the same strategy, the same position, and that's it. So this is how in combination they work. So first of all, you notice your price touch one of either bands of Bollinger bands, either lower or upper. Once you saw it, so your price touched one of the bands, you come to MACD and you notice the crossover of MACD line cross the signal line. You notice the crossover, so it confirmed the Bollinger band and you opened a position. Okay, I've explained it. And now let's move to the trading process itself. Okay, so I'm gonna do a 3-minute trade here on Euro and Swiss franc. So I saw that the price touched the upper Bollinger band. That means so of course overbought conditions of currency pair, and overbought means there's going to be a reversal and price pullback, so formation of a downtrend. And this was confirmed also by a crossover of MACD when the MACD line crossed below the signal line, also meaning to open a sell position, which I did for 3 minutes, and you can see this is a level of price at which I opened it and we are already succeeding. So now let's wait. Okay, great, we succeeded. First profit from using this strategy, a combination of Bollinger bands and MACD indicators, so earned $305. So all we did is we followed the rules of using this strategy. Price touched one of the bands, so crossover of MACD, followed this and succeeded. By the way, my dear friends, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Telegram. The links are right below this video. If you're aiming for consistent trading results and want to accelerate your progress, feel free to message me directly on Telegram. So let's start building your own path to profitable trading together. Okay, I'm opening the second trade for a sell position. Why I did it? Well, I see here a very continuously developing situation. When the price touched the upper band, upper Bollinger band, of course, currency pair being in an overbought condition, and it reversed, and you can see how gradually the price decreases, okay, forming a downtrend. And of course, this is also confirmed by a crossover of MACD line crossing below the signal line. So both of these mean open a sell position for anticipating a price decrease and of course a formation of downtrend, which we already see. And I opened a trade for 5 minutes and let's see how it will go. Okay, great. Wow, the deal succeeded for $135 plus, and it was a really interesting situation to look for a continuous development of the trend. And of course, that means that our strategy was based also on analyzing at how the trend looks. And you can see that I opened a trade for 5 minutes. That's because I saw that the trend was gradually developing. So a slow speed movement change of a price of a market. Okay, so let's continue trading. And still here, I see that situation remains. So still Australian and Canadian dollar. Already seen here that once the price touched the upper band, of course, a reversal and price continues to decrease, to pull back for a long time, saving the situation in a strong position. Of course, this is also confirmed by a crossover of MACD, again below the signal line. So open for 5 minutes because we want to dismiss some fluctuations of the market. That's it. And now we are looking for a trend development to, of course, confirm our strategy. Okay, the deal that we conducted also brought us profit, this time $435, and I really like. So it's a trending market situation, which of course is confirmed by our strategy using Bollinger Band in combination of MACD. By the way, at the end of this trade, you might have thought there was already a reversal. So like the MACD indicator was about to cross above the signal line, but remember that it might be a fake situation of the market. Actually, it was a fake situation of the market. And why? Well, because for an evident reversal of the market, you need to remember about candlestick formation. So you should see 3 candlesticks. And if you want to know more about candlestick formations and how to just fully understand the market overall, then please watch my videos on YouTube. There's already a video about that here. Okay, so what I wanted to remind you that actually in Telegram, I've created an amazing community where I guide both beginners and professional traders. We cover everything from the strategy development to mastering trading psychology. If you're ready to dive into trading with a supportive group, just send me a message, Jessica Trading, active link at the end of every Telegram post. The link will be waiting you below, and I'm thrilled to help you get started on your trading journey. Okay, this is it. I can open a quick sell position. Seeing here a continuous development of a downtrend. The price touched the upper band. Of course, overbought conditions were there, and it reversed, and gradually you can see how slowly the price of Australian and Swiss franc drops. And this is also confirmed by a MACD crossover here, and it's long developing. So here, from this moment, you can see here long crossover, which also confirms a continued situation of a downtrend development, a decrease of price, and the strategy all makes it easier to open a position. $325 for following the strategy of using Bollinger Bands and MACD indicators. I really like working with a trending market in combination with a strategy, and the most important thing, please notice the right crossovers. So you need to not only stick to the strategy, but also scroll back and see how the trend develops itself, and look for a crossover which continuously gives you a proven signal, and for, of course, a reversal, evident reversal, and a good crossover. Okay, well succeeded. Let's continue trading. and I'm going to open this time a quick buy position, seeing here that the price touched a lower band, and of course that means the currency was being in an oversold condition. A reversal price rebounds confirmed by a MACD crossover, a MACD line above the signal line, and you can see I opened it only for 1 minute because it is a quick developing market. Okay, $330 for the last trade for 2 days trading session using this strategy, Bollinger Bands with a combination of MACD, and that's really pleasing. Sticking to the strategy, understanding its rules, and earning money. And I actually want to share my personal view of using this strategy. Well, I would say that it is really convenient because you can just use Bollinger Bands, you can just use MACD. They will give you the signals, but both of these indicators, when they go with each other, they prove one another. So you can see Bollinger Band, price touch one of Bollinger Bands. Great, you already know there's going to be a reversal. But when you see an evident crossover of MACD lines, this is it, an evident reversal. So you can open a freely trading position and succeed. And I really suggest you just sticking to this strategy for some time, and maybe it will become your own instrument in trading. Okay, my dear friends, so today we conducted 5 profitable trades using the combination of Bollinger Bands and MACD indicators. And in total, we've earned $1,830. And if you want to achieve similar results and work towards becoming an independent trader with a fulfilling and free lifestyle, then join my Telegram channel. I share daily long and short-term signals which you can use to trade alongside with me at no cost. The link is waiting for you in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I put a lot of effort into improving the quality of my content, so please support it with a like and let me know in comments what topic you would like to see covered in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it really helps us to grow and continue developing. Thank you so much. This was Jessica with love. Bye bye.